So it's been a while since I've done a video for RivrMav, my 2023 Maverick Lariat hybrid with Lux package. And maybe we'll call this a 30,000 mile review because it has 29,325 miles on it. Before, I was rear-ended this morning. Yeah, I was stopped at a light and I let up on my foot for a brief second, rolled forward, stopped, and the heavy-duty Chevy pickup truck behind me took his foot off the brake and didn't stop. So I've got some rear end damage. Oh yeah, my first dent about 2 months ago. Have to see if I can pop that out. So yes, rear end damage. If you look, you can see the dent in my tailgate, and I got one of those little plastic plates to go along the bottom so that it can drain and water doesn't get trapped in there. That popped out, but I saved it, so that'll go back on once the tailgate's fixed. And heavy duty truck with tow hooks. Yes, it did that on this side and that on that side. I stopped at a collision shop right afterwards, and he crawled under, said that there's no buckling at all in the crumple zone. He said, so you're safe to drive. So I feel good about that, but I'm sure tailgate and fixing the bumper is not going to be cheap. So I stopped at my agent just to check with him before filing a claim online, and he said, you know, you might go to his insurance company and see if they'll accept liability. So I went down the street, and as it happens, he'd already called in the claim. She said he told us what happened. We should, within 24 hours, determine who was liable for the accident. And you'll hear from us in 24 hours. So, yes, and I've got a rear-facing cam. I've got a dash cam that's front and a feed on the back. So I've got that if there's any questions that are raised. As for the review, well, let's see it. Almost 30,000 miles. I've got it. I bought it in April, or delivered in April. So May, June, July, August. That's 16 months, 30,000 miles, and I've been very happy with it. One complaint was the 2 or 3 times that it quit due to the software, which was updated and then updated again, and I haven't had that issue since then. The fact that the battery keeps, well, not as often, but since those updates, it will go to sleep a lot more often, which when I was at the insurance agent and tried to pull up my VIN, didn't help me because Ford Pass wouldn't open. So, but yeah, other than that, so now as you can see, maybe I'm at an incline, and it's up a hill to get out of my neighborhood. That's one small hill. Then I go, once I get to the top of that rise, I go down a dip that's probably 50 to 100 feet and back up again. They're all over the city here. So I'm lucky if I can get, well, actually, my average mileage is around 38 miles a gallon. I'll get lower on the highway, like I-70. If I'm doing 70 or 75, I might be getting 34 or 35 miles a gallon. But when I'm driving out in the country with all the hills around here, I can, just going down those long inclines, it really boosts my mileage. I can make a 45-mile trip out in the country and get 44 miles a gallon. So, yeah, hell of a lot better than my Chevy HHR. I never thought I'd not miss that, but yes. So that's my 30,000 mile almost update and a review, and yeah, I may make a short video after this to let you know how the collision work goes. Yeah, later.